If a high-speed door is not perceived as a disturbing factor, it fulfills its main aim. NOVOSPRINT supports your business over millions of opening and closing cycles for logistic processes which are safe, reliable, and trouble-free. The horizontal winding up of the fabric is the fastest and safest way to open an industrial door. The entire door height is accessible straight away, dangerous forklift braking is avoided, and the crash risk compared to a vertically opening door can be minimized substantially. NOVOSPRINT adapts perfectly to your individual needs. Single or double sash, for widths from 1 to 9 meters, and for a height up to 6 meters. As a hygiene door for the food or pharmaceutical industry, as an escape door with automatic opening, with recesses for crane runways or transport rails, with safety devices such as a light grid, in a hybrid solution with a fiberglass door for superior opening frequencies, combined with a solid and thermally insulated night closing. NOVOSPRINT achieves a disturbance-free operation. Combined with an exceptional lifespan, this leads to outstanding cost efficiency in its operation. This is confirmed by guaranteed 500,000 openings of the door springs. Intelligent, professional, solide. Butzbach NOVOSPRINT high-speed doors.